Let's learn how to write a quadratic equation if we have a vertex and a point given. So in our case, vertex is 4, 1, and then the point that's given is f of 2 equal to negative 5, which means the point is 2, negative 5. Okay, so that means 2 is our x and negative 5 is our y. In the vertex, 4 represents the h of the vertex and 1 represents the k. The vertex form goes like this. F of x equals a times x minus h all squared plus k. Now, if we want to have a more complex vertex form, we would put a coefficient b here in front of x. But for what we are doing here today, we don't need that. So let's start. The vertex is 4, 1, so our h and k can be replaced with that. So this is x minus h is 4 squared, and then k is 1. We need to remember that 4 is going to change the sign. So 4 is positive here, but becomes negative here. So what we have is f of x equals to a times x minus 4 squared plus 1. Now, the only thing left to actually figure out is the a coefficient in front of the parentheses. And to figure it out, we need the point that was given in the problem. So f of x, which is y, which is negative 5, goes here, and then a times, and then instead of x, we put what x is equal to, which is 2 in our case. So 2 minus 4 squared plus 1. Now all we need to do is solve for a. So to solve for a, we need to move 1 to the other side. If we do it, we get negative 6 equals to a times, and then what we have here is 2 minus 4, which is negative 2, and then negative 2 squared is positive 4. So that's a times 4, which is same as 4a, right? 4a equals to negative 6. And then all we need to do is divide by 4, so we get that a is equal to negative 6 over 4, which is actually, it can reduce, so this is negative 3 over 2. A is negative 3/2. So now that we have this piece of information, and we already know that the function is going to look like this when we use our h and k, then we can finalize our expression. So f of x is equal to, instead of a, we put what we got here, which is negative 3/2. And then we have our x minus the h of the vertex, which is 4. It's all squared plus k, which is 1 in our case. There it is. We have a function, quadratic function, that has a vertex 4, 1, and for which f of 2 is equal to negative 5, which means the function will go through the point 2, negative 5. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please click like, subscribe, and don't forget to smile.